What's up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all see the pumpkin, so I think you know what kind of video this is gonna be, and it's posting on the magical day of Halloween. So
happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween to all you ghosts and ghouls and goblins. JK Adventure is gonna carve pumpkins. We've done it before. Link right here for our other pumpkin carving videos. They all suck, so don't even think for 1 second this is gonna be any better. You ready to get into this?
Yeah, before we get started, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment down below on whose you think will be better in the end. Can I talk without any interruptions?
I'm pretty sure I beat you every single year. Ow!
Exactly. So you're just gonna get started? I got you the big one because I thought you were gonna want to use the big one.
IKEA tables. Hashtag not sponsored.
I got you a little ball. That may not be big enough.
I don't want to touch this.
Oh, you want a spoon? How did you do yours so fast?
Because I did a square.
Oh.
Well, you gotta be Miss Perfectionist.
It's a competition! Ready for this, guys? Ew, Mayo! Use the spoon. Ugh.
Just use your hand.
No.
It's just pumpkin.
I don't want to touch it.
Now you got seeds on the floor.
Aww. Sorry for the bird in the back. You got wild animals in here.
Mine's gonna look cute. I already know. So living in Mexico, did you guys do this?
I didn't live in Mexico. And no, the OG fans will know I didn't start carving pumpkins until I met KIRK. We don't do these festivities where I'm from.
And where are you from?
The United States of America. No, I'm just kidding. So this is what I'm starting with. If you guys can see, I'm doing Jack. Everyone knows who Jack is, right?
Probably one of my favorite movies of all times.
The Nightmare Before Christmas, right?
Yeah. This is mine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty cute.
Yours is cute.
And with the magic of wonderful YouTube, boom! These are our creations. I really like Juanita's. We're not perfectionists. It's Halloween. It's supposed to be a little scary, so I'm going to leave some of the guts inside. Clearly she went with the same strategy as me.
Yeah.
But yeah, yours is cool. Yours definitely looks like Jack. You can definitely see it. If you can't see it, then you're blind. Make sure you like, subscribe.
Comment. We got a lot of fun videos coming up for you guys, so be sure to subscribe.
Oh, I just cracked my eye.
How? Ripping your mouth out? Like bad? Just don't touch it. Want some eyelash glue?
Might need some.